Good morning, James. The usual?
Good morning, Marco. Yes, please. The usual.
Black coffee. 1 croissant.
Here you are, James.
Thank you, Marco.
Same time, same place. I am here.
Every Saturday.
Same time, same table. She liked this cafe. We came here every Saturday.
Another coffee, James?
Yes. Thank you, Marco. I will wait a little longer. Same time next Saturday, Marco.
I will be here, James. See you next week. Terrible weather today, James.
Yes, yes. But I came anyway.
Who is that man? He is here every Saturday.
His name is James. He is waiting for his wife. She left 2 years ago. He comes every Saturday.
Does she know he comes?
I do not know. But he comes. Every week.
She always ate the croissant before drinking the coffee.
She used to order the almond croissant every time.
Yes, she loved the almond one.
The leaves are changing color, James.
Yes. Another season.
James, do you know where she is?
No, but she knows where I am.
So you are making sure you are found.
Very cold today, Marco.
I kept your table warm for you, James.
For you, James. From us. No charge.
Thank you. That is very kind.
1 year, James. You have been coming 1 year.
I know. I will come next year too.
Why do you keep coming, James, after all this time?
Because hope is the last thing I put down. Hmm. 78 Saturdays. She has not come. Maybe today I will not go. Maybe today is the day I stop. 1 more Saturday. I will come 1 more Saturday.
James, I am glad you came today.
I almost did not come, Marco.
Do you want to talk today, James?
I miss her, Marco. I just miss her.
She left, but you stayed. That tells her something, James.
Marco said that you stayed.
He almost stopped today, but he came.
I hope she knows. I hope she knows he is here.
90 Saturdays, Marco. Almost 2 years.
You are the most patient man I know, James.
I still see her there. Every Saturday, I still see her.
That is looks like. Right there. Right there.
Saturday 91, Marco. I will be here.
I know you will, James. Good night.
Saturday 104. I am going. I am going.
Good morning, James. The usual?
Good morning, Marco. Yes, please. "104 Saturday and 4 Saturdays, and I am still waiting." Every time the door opens, every time.
Second coffee, James. Thank you, Marco.
I am still here.
Welcome back. It's good to see you.
"104. Elena.
I am glad I came. Hello, James. It has been a long time. I knew you would be here.
I knew you would come.
Welcome back. Comment below, have you ever waited for someone? Subscribe for more slow English stories every week.